Hey everyone, RJ here. Welcome back to the channel. And yes, the Pixel 7 Pro has arrived along with the Google Pixel Watch. So today I'll be focusing more on the Pixel 7 Pro while I give a little brief look here at the Pixel Watch. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first things first, I want to give a huge thanks to Team Pixel for sending this out for unboxing and reviewing. Now, it won't be your typical unboxing as they've already done that for me. They sent it in a really nice big box, which I'll show pictures of here. And so, therefore, I will just be explaining what's in the box, and then I'll get into the watch and to the phone. So, yeah, anyway, right here, we have the Pixel 7 Pro box. Just your typical box, okay, you know. On the back of it here, it just shows the name, and the color is Obsidian, and the 128GB model, so really nice stuff there. And of course, this right here is the Google Pixel Watch, just the LTE, and it matches up here with the phone and all that kind of cool stuff. So in the box, all you're really going to get is going to be your Type-C to Type-C charging cable, your user manual, and your Type-A to Type-C transfer there. And in the Pixel Watch, you get the watch, of course, and you'll get the charging cable, the unique cable that charges the watch, and you'll get an extra band, I do believe it is. Leaving it all in the box right now just to, save time, but it comes with that, an extra band, and all that kind of cool stuff, manuals and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and look at the phone and the watch. All right, so the phone is in hand, it's set up and ready to go. But looking at the phone, it's just a really nice looking phone. Very classy, very elegant looking. This obsidian here along with this silver up top. It just looks good. Okay, the cutouts and everything looks really sharp. On the sides here, the way it's all uniformed in like one piece. It just looks really nice and very clean. On top, of course, you got a secondary microphone. On the left, you have a place for your SIM card. On the bottom, of course, is your USB Type-C charging port, along with your microphone and bottom firing speaker. And over here, of course, is your volume up and down and your power button. So right now, let's go ahead and power it on. All right, there we got Google. Now we'll take a brief look here at the watch. I will actually, this is actually my very first smartwatch, real smartwatch. So yeah, I'm gonna have to take some time with this here to actually do it justice and everything. But it looks and feels really nice. This band feels nice. I like the way it looks. I really do. Get your little button over here. I think it's the power button. Let's go ahead and power it on. I ain't even powered the thing on yet. Just go ahead and there we go. Got the big G Google up there. So yeah, not gonna spend much time here. Just kind of wanted to show the watch and how it looks. And I mean, when you look at it, I mean, side by side, it looks great, looks fantastic. And so yeah, like I said, my very first smartwatch. I've had a few other like fitness watches, stuff like that, but nothing ever like this. So like I say, I'm very excited to check this out, see how it works, attach it to the Pixel 7 Pro, and use it. And that way I can, give a more thorough look at the watch. But so far, I am liking what I'm seeing here. It looks very vibrant, looks very clear. On camera, not so much maybe, but to my eyes, looks really nice. So yeah, I'll get that all set up, and that video will be coming very soon. All right, so Pixel 7 Pro, turning it around here, phone is on right there. Let's go ahead and unlock it with the fingerprint, and the fingerprint has been greatly improved, okay? It feels so much better. It opens up every single time that I press it, and it's quick, And also, we now have face unlock, which is really nice. We'll take a look at it here, and boom, there we go. Turn it off, back on, and it opens right up. You can see right there, it's just quick, fast. I mean, I'm liking it so far. I mean, the phone looks nice. 6.7-inch display, Quad HD, 2nd gen Tensor chip, and all that kind of cool stuff. Got 12 gigabytes of RAM. The storage is 128 gig here on this model here. Of course, you can go higher. But yeah, running Android version 13 out of the box, of course, and all like that. I mean, it's your typical Pixel walkthrough. There's nothing really anything new in the settings or anything like that. Going in here, and Yeah, got your connected devices, apps, your battery, of course. Test the battery out. Now down here at display, of course, you will have to change your resolution if you want the Quad HD. Right now it is on 1080p, or you can go 1440 Quad HD Plus. So I mean, if you want to save some battery, leave it on 1080p. You know, if you want to go all the way to 1440, there you go. It's going to look good. It's going to look just fine. And of course, your smooth display here from 60 to 120 hertz. Leave that on or off to save battery. It's totally up to you, whatever you want to do. But yeah, pretty much everything that you see in every Pixel, or in like in last year's Pixel. Wallpaper style. We'll look at some wallpapers here. And got some feathers going on here. So nice looking wallpaper, stuff like that. I mean, it's just a good looking phone. Really nice display. Got your theme icon, stuff like that. Let's go to app grade here. I'm going to change that to 5x5. It's like that a whole lot better. And we'll apply that there. And so, yeah, I mean, the phone just feels extremely smooth, extremely zippy here. And so, yeah, all that good stuff. Security and all that stuff, about phone. We are on, let's go ahead and check. Let's go ahead and take a look at it here. We are on Android version 13, and October 5th security patch right there. So everything is good to roll. Got your gestures. You can do quick taps to start actions, like take a screenshot and by tapping the back of the phone. Really nice feature. We'll get into all that stuff later. Navigation, gestures. You can have your 3 buttons down here at the bottom, or you can have your gestures, which, yeah, gestures it is. Now press and hold power button. You know, right now, if you press and hold it, it's going to go to your assistant. And I don't like that feature. So you press that there, and you turn that off. And then when you go to when you hold it in, your power off stuff, restart stuff pops up. So you can go to the assistant so many ways on Android phones that, yeah, I'm turning that stuff off. But yeah, first impressions, first look here, looks really nice. I'm very excited to look down my apps, test out with games, and all that kind of stuff. I know it's kind of a brief unboxing, you know, and not showing a whole lot, but I mean, it's your Pixel 7 Pro. It's got all the latest specs, you know, and I'm very excited to see how this phone's going to perform on a day-to-day usage, on how I use my phone, testing the battery out, testing the camera out. We'll go in here for just a moment, look at the camera stuff. And got your top shot there. That's okay. That's turned on. An update is available for the camera. Okay. So we got motion here. Of course, you got your action pan, long exposure, all that good stuff going on there inside of the camera. Got your portrait mode here. 1 times, 2 times. Yeah. Night sight, all that stuff. Got your video mode over here. And of course, you can record in 4K 60 if you want to. So 1080p, 4K, 30 or 60. Speech enhancement is off and on. That's a nice feature to have there as well. Kind of brings out your voice a little bit more. So that really helps out there as well. Down here, of course, you do have your stabilization for your standard, which your standard is for light movement. You got locked, which is for far away, still shots at 2x zoom. Active for heavy movement, and cinematic pan for smooth panning shots, have speed, and it's muted. So a lot of good stuff going on in time lapse, slow motions, and over here at modes, you will see we got your panorama, photosphere, and lens. So we'll definitely be testing the camera out here as well. But overall, first look, I'm impressed. I'm really impressed of just how it looks, how it feels. And it already, I mean, the fingerprint scanner is a major improvement. Face unlock is really nice. And I believe this is going to be a winner for Google. So anyway, that's all I'm going to say about this right now. Stay tuned for updated videos on this phone here, for gameplay, for speed tests. If you'll see a speed tests, let me know down below. Stay tuned for the Pixel Watch, as I use that some and do even more in depth with that. So if it's helpful informative in any way, hit the like button. Any questions you may have, leave it down below. If you're new around here and haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would appreciate it. Click that bell on for all notifications. That'd be awesome. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.